In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp using their form builder. Whether you're creating a form for a newsletter or just want to collect contact information from your audience, Mailchimp offers a straightforward way to help you achieve that. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the section titled Sign Up Forms. This is the area where you'll find all the tools you need to start building your subscriber list. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Audience tab and give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Sign Up Forms. This section provides you with several options tailored to different needs for gathering subscriber information. Mailchimp offers a few types of sign-up forms. There's the Form Builder, which is a simple drag-and-drop tool that allows you to customize your form's appearance and the fields included, such as name and email. It's perfect for those who want to tweak their forms to match their brand or personal style. Another option is the embedded form, which you can integrate directly into your website using HTML. This is handy if you want the form to be a natural part of your web pages. Then there's the subscriber pop-up, which is a form that appears on your site as a pop-up, prompting users to subscribe. Lastly, there's the landing page option, which creates a dedicated page that you can link to or share for sign-ups. For those interested in using the form builder, go ahead and choose this option from the list. Once selected, you'll be taken to a customization section where you can add or modify form fields as needed. This might include asking for a subscriber's name, email, or any other details you find pertinent. If embedding the form directly on your website is more your style, select the embedded forms from the list. Mailchimp will then generate HTML code specifically for your form. Simply copy this code and head over to your website's HTML editor, pasting it wherever you'd like the form to appear. Whether you're using the form builder or opting for an embedded form or any other option, Mailchimp's tools are designed to be intuitive and helpful, ensuring that whether you're new to form creation or a seasoned pro, you'll have the resources needed to connect with your audience efficiently. That's a quick walkthrough of how to set up a sign-up form on Mailchimp. I hope this tutorial is helpful as you navigate the form creation process. Be sure to explore all the options Mailchimp provides to find what best suits your needs. Thanks for watching and happy form building.